I'm a gingerbread witch from the Living Museum of Gingerbread in Torun. As a gingerbread witch, I'm talking about the spices, because I'm a specialist when it comes to spices. We have workshops here. We teach people how to prepare our traditional gingerbread dough. It's a very theatrical place, very interactive. So we want people to work with us to prepare the dough and the traditional gingerbread.
Very good presentation by the staff, very entertaining. Really good time for my 8-year-old son and myself. Very much fun.
Very nice experience if you want to try something new, to bake a nice cake and get some history of gingerbread. That's the best place to do it. And I don't work for here, so it's not an advertisement.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a gingerbread master, and I guess that you would like to know something about the gingerbreads, which is in Polish pierniki. There was a guy in the 14th century called Nicholas Chan, and probably by an accident or by purpose he added some pepper to the honey cake and made pierniki.
Interesting place, and I recommend all to visit this place. It's really fantastic.